Let's be honest, choosing the perfect vacuum cleaner isn't as easy as it sounds. Some are powerful but hefty, while others are light but difficult to clean thoroughly. What if you have pets? That's an entirely different challenge. Instead of wasting time guessing, we've picked the top 7 finest vacuum cleaners that deliver where it counts. These recommendations cover everything from strong suction and smart features to ease of use and everyday convenience. There's something for everyone, whether you live in a little apartment or a large family house. Stick around because by the end of this article, you'll know exactly which vacuum is best for your cleaning style. Number 7. Kenmore. If you're searching for a vacuum that can handle a variety of tasks, including pet muck, the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum feels like it was designed with actual households in mind. It's a bagged canister design, so you get strong, constant suction while keeping dust contained neatly. The dual-motor system is the outstanding feature here, providing an extra push whether dealing with carpets, hard floors, or even your car interior. One thing you'll likely notice straight away is how adaptable it feels. The swivel head makes it simple to navigate around furniture, and the pop-and-go brush is quite useful. Just push a button and it switches to floor cleaning instantaneously. Pet owners will benefit greatly from the Pet PowerMate accessory. It's designed to remove tenacious pet hair with tangles, which saves a lot of frustration. With the HEPA filtration system, you get a vacuum that captures small dust and allergens rather than blowing them back into the air. On the practical side, the metal telescopic wand allows you to reach high areas or tight corners, while the retractable cable keeps things neat when you're finished. It's also relatively lightweight for a canister vacuum, making it easy to move around. However, it isn't ideal. Bagged vacuums require replacements over time, and while lighter than many, they might feel cumbersome in compact spaces. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich alternative that strikes an excellent mix between power and ease. Number 6. VacMaster. If you want something simple, powerful, and easy to handle, the VacMaster UB0402 commercial vacuum cleaner does a pretty solid job of keeping things straightforward. It's built as an upright vacuum, but what truly sticks out is how light it feels. At under 11 pounds, you can carry it around the home or up the stairs without experiencing the typical arm workout that most vacuums provide. When it comes to cleaning performance, it is designed to tackle multiple surfaces with ease. Whether you're working with carpets, rugs, or hard floors, moving between modes is simple thanks to the 2-speed settings. So you can transition from intense carpet cleaning to a lighter pass on hard surfaces without overthinking it. The suction is powerful enough to pick up embedded dirt and pet hair, making it an ideal solution for common messes. The LED headlamp is likely to be a feature you like more than you thought you would. It allows you to see dust and detritus in darker corners or under furniture, which we often overlook. Plus, the low-profile design allows you to easily move it under couches and mattresses. The long power cord also gives you plenty of reach, so you're not constantly unplugging and switching outlets. On the disadvantage, because it employs a bagged system, you'll have to change the bags over time. Cloth filtering is also less advanced than HEPA systems. Still, for a lightweight, no-nonsense cleaner, it strikes an excellent mix between convenience and efficacy. Number 5. Shark. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360 upright vacuum is a popular choice for a reason. It feels powerful while remaining easy to use. It's designed to work with both carpets and hard surfaces without complicating matters. The suction is powerful enough to remove debris from dense carpets, but it can also switch to a softer mode for bare floors with the brush roll shutdown option. One of the vacuum's biggest features is its lift-away capability. You can detach the main pod, and you're no longer simply vacuuming floors, you're also cleaning staircases, furniture, and those tricky locations above ground. It makes the cleaning procedure feel much more fluid. The swivel steering is especially useful for maneuvering around tight corners or navigating furniture, as it does not feel bulky or stiff. This vacuum is especially effective in homes with pets. It includes items such as an upholstery attachment, which makes cleaning up pet hair much easier. Furthermore, the HEPA filter, paired with the sealed system, retains dust and allergens inside, which is beneficial if you are allergic to dust. However, because it is bagless, you must empty the dust cup on a regular basis, which might be messy. It's also not the lightest choice available, particularly when used as a complete upright. Nonetheless, with its powerful performance, adaptability, and clever features, it's a dependable all-rounder for everyday cleaning. Number 4. Eureka. The Eureka NEU 10AE5 Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner is ideal for everyday great cleaning because it is simple, lightweight, and easy to use. It's intended to handle both carpets and hard floors without appearing large or complicated. The suction is surprisingly strong for its size, and the wide cleaning path allows you to cover more ground faster, which is ideal when you simply want to get the job done. The fact that this vacuum is so lightweight is one of its distinguishing features. It weighs less than 8 pounds, making it easy to transport throughout the house, between rooms, or even upstairs. It's also tiny, so storing it isn't a chore if you're limited on room. The quick-release handle is another wonderful feature. You can use the crevice tool or dusting brush to clean furniture, drapes, or tight spots without switching machines. Maintenance is also rather basic. You won't have to change it on a regular basis because it's bagless and has a washable filter. Just rinse and dry the filter and you're good to go. Furthermore, all of the tools are conveniently placed on the vacuum, ensuring that they are constantly accessible. However, it is not designed for heavy-duty thorough cleaning. The foam filter is not as advanced as HEPA, and its smaller size results in a lower dust capacity. However, for quick everyday use, it is convenient, practical, and easy to live with. Number 3. Sanitaire. If you want something strong, uncomplicated, and long-lasting, the Sanitaire SC679K Tradition Upright Commercial Vacuum is more like a workhorse than a fancy household gadget. This is the type of vacuum you'd find in businesses or hotels, built to withstand heavy, frequent use without slowing down. It concentrates primarily on carpet cleaning, and the motor is designed for long-term performance, allowing it to continue operating even after hours of use. One of the most notable features is its durability. The polycarbonate canopy increases durability, making it appropriate for harsh areas where traditional vacuums may struggle. It also includes a large shakeout bag that can retain a lot of dirt, so you don't have to stop continually to empty it. This is extremely beneficial when cleaning huge areas on the go. Another practical characteristic is its ease of maintenance. The brush roll or belt can be replaced without the need for any equipment, saving time and effort. The long power cord also provides plenty of reach, allowing you to cover more ground without disconnecting every few minutes. Despite its sturdy construction, it is rather lightweight, making it easier to transport than you may assume. Nonetheless, the features are rather basic. It lacks sophisticated filtration such as HEPA and is primarily intended for use on carpets rather than other surfaces. Still, if you want something long-lasting and dependable, it does the job without complaint. Number 2. Bissell. If you live in a compact environment such as an apartment or dorm, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum 3437F seems like it was designed with you in mind. It keeps things simple while still providing solid performance. Despite its small size, it does not feel underpowered. The suction is powerful enough to handle ordinary dirt on carpets and performs surprisingly well on hard surfaces. What stands out is how easy it is to get around. It weighs around 10 pounds, making it easy to transport from room to room, and its compact size means you won't have trouble storing it afterward. The design is clearly geared toward ease, particularly in smaller homes where space is limited. It also has scatter-free technology, which prevents trash from spreading around on hard floors, a minor detail that makes cleaning less stressful. The quick-release extension wand is another convenient feature. It allows you to quickly transition from floor cleaning to above-floor areas such as furniture, drapes, or tight corners. You don't need to gather additional tools or overthink the procedure. It simply works. On the disadvantage, the foam filter is not as advanced as HEPA systems, thus it may not capture the smallest dust particles. It is also better suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks than heavy-duty ones. Still, for everyday usage in smaller places, it strikes a good mix of power, mobility, and usability. Number 1. Dirt Devil. The Dirt Devil Endura Light Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is meant to be simple, lightweight, and easy to use around the house. It's small so it doesn't take up much space, yet it has enough power to manage ordinary messes on both carpets and hardwood floors. The multi-floor brush roll ensures a smooth transition between surfaces, eliminating the need to constantly modify things. One standout feature is the Endura filtration system, which is designed to provide continuous suction over time. That means you won't experience the frustrating reduction in performance halfway through cleaning. It's also bagless, with an easy-to-empty dirt cup that allows you to discard trash fast and cleanly. The washable filter adds to the simplicity by allowing you to simply rinse and reuse it rather than worrying about replacements. The quick-release extension wand allows you to clean shelves, corners, and even ceilings that are otherwise difficult to reach. The onboard tools are also easily accessible, making quick cleanups feel more efficient. On the downside, foam filtration is less effective than HEPA at trapping fine dust. It's also better suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks than deep, heavy-duty ones. Still, for regular usage, it strikes a good mix between ease, portability, and consistent performance. And there you have it, our top 7 vacuum cleaners that make cleaning easier, faster, and far less stressful. Whether you need something lightweight, powerful, or ideal for pet hair, there's a choice here to suit your house and habits. At the end of the day, the ideal vacuum suits your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to LegitPick for more honest reviews and sensible recommendations. We've got a lot more heading your way, so stay tuned and keep your home clean.